Hello everyone. Welcome on our session on reinventing B2B commerce, how to drive sales while empowering customer productivity. Today we will discuss our joint journey towards building a B2B oriented mobile application, which not only sells but also solves actual problems of Teams customers. Our goal for today is to walk you through the process itself and highlight some key challenges as well as share some learnings that we've got from that journey. My name is Tomasz Koperski. I'm one of the co-founders and CTO of FutureMind. We are a company that delivers digital leverage to its customers, and we are now part of Solita since 2023. I've been at the company for 17 years, and as a CTO, I oversee our delivery capabilities. Together with me today is Łukasz.
Hi, I am Łukasz Bronicz, Deputy Director of Technology and E-commerce Development Department. I was responsible for discovery and design phase. I work at TIM for over 7 years, and I oversee the business part of our department.
Hi, I am Paweł, Senior Product Owner of the mobile app and team. I am responsible for the second part of the development after MVP and ongoing growth of the application. I'm working closely with our clients, our internal teams, and our technology partner. I will share our perspective how we build this product and how we keep growing based on customer needs.
All right, so let's dive in. And maybe actually before we dive into the mobile app itself, I think it would be good to just let the listeners know about your business. So Łukasz, if you could maybe describe your business.
TIM is the largest electrotechnical wholesale company in Poland and was founded in 1987 by 3 university friends. We started as a project office, shifted our focus to electrotechnical equipment, and have grown ever since. In 2013, we launched the first B2B online store for our industry, leading the digital transformation in Poland. This bold move paid off. We reached over 300 million euro in revenue by 2021. We joined Wirt Group in 2024 and remains the Poland's largest electrotechnical e-commerce B2B platform. 3 years ago, we set out to build a new mobile app, not just a copy of our website, but a real tool to help our professionals in their daily work. We believe our new app will go beyond online sales, truly helping our customers succeed.
All right, thanks. So today we want to discuss this joint journey, like I said, how we built the mobile app for a B2B business. And to do that, we will do that focusing on key phases of the project. And we will highlight, I think, 4 phases and talk about each phase separately. And let's begin with the discovery phase. Paweł, can you tell us how did you approach the challenge and how did it all start?
Yeah, of course. Since we had big plans and ambitious goals, we wanted to find a partner who aimed as high as we did. To the discovery phase, we invited 2 companies to support us, and one of them was FutureMind. Together with our partners, we went to construction sites, talked to our sales department, our customer care department, and watched how our users work every day. This helped us to check our ideas, create first mockups, and decide which features are the most important for the MVP. Looking back, we are really glad that we found a time to do a proper research and met our users. So my first tip for everyone is you should find a time to do a proper research before you start the implementation. And Łukasz from our team was the whole discovery phase. So could you tell us a little more?
Sure. We wanted to create an app that would fit our hybrid business model. While most of our sales are based on e-commerce, our customers need support in many areas, choosing the right product, gaining knowledge, and negotiating prices. In our hybrid model, we maintain sales offices throughout Poland. Our colleagues who work there are responsible for serving customers who, for various reasons, are unable to use our online store. However, our sales network is more than just sales. We are partners to our customers. Even customers who buy exclusively online have assigned an advisor who can help them with everyday challenges, not only those related to our e-commerce platform. Thanks to discovery phase, we decided that our new mobile app should focus on a strategic group of customers, installers, and leverage the best aspects of our unique approach, offering assistance from our advisors whenever it's needed.
During the discovery, what were the hypotheses that you test, and what were the learnings from that? Was there anything that caught your attention or surprised you?
During the discovery phase, we wanted to test our hypothesis about our target group, of course, and the need of our application that is more than just an online shop in your pocket. Through workshops with our employees, analysis our business model, and ethnographic research conducted at our customers' workplaces, we realized that our app should facilitate quick ordering. We discovered that although our online shop is fully responsive and accessible via mobile devices, our customers often use it on mobile when they are out of office, for example at construction sites. This perspective led us to create an app and thinking about what features and design directions should our mobile app take to meet our customers' needs.
Yeah, so thanks for that. And from the discovery phase, we are now moving into the design phase. So if we could maybe describe or talk about how the insights learned during the discovery shaped the actual experience in the mobile application at the end of the day. So Łukasz, over to you.
So we learned that our design must emphasize high contrast, since installers often use their smartphones in daylight. We noticed that our buttons should be larger than usual because our customers often wear gloves or have swollen hands after work. And what surprised us, we also found our customers sometimes struggle to verify whether a package from team contains all ordered products. Emit packages from various suppliers, many people waiting delivery, and the general chaos at the construction sites often cause that the products or packages are often lost or forgotten. This observation led us to decide that our new mobile app should be fast, simpler compared to TeamPL, and should include new features specifically tailored to installers' needs.
So from what you learned over there, how did those insights shape the actual design of the app? What were the principles that you've used to progress with it?
I mentioned some of our design principles earlier, such as the importance of contrast and button sizes. These kinds of observation led us to create design that is simple, fast, and intuitive. On TeamPL, we have many features that help our B2B customers every day. Initially, we wanted to including them all in our new mobile app. However, during the design phase, we refined our strategy. We do not want our app just merely mirror TeamPL. Instead, we aim to create something new, a sales channel that could also attract people who are not current users of TeamPL. First, we focused, of course, on the core features, but after the discovery phase, we generated ideas for the new features that fit the direction that we had chosen. The first of this is the feature called electronic delivery note. Our user can scan the package number with our app and see the list of contents. The user can then tick checkboxes to see the user can tick checkboxes for any missing products and quickly submit a report, speeding up communication. If everything is correct, the user clicks a single button and we save this information on their account, along with the information about who checked the package. Simple, fast, and efficient.
Yeah, and I know that the installers love that feature, but was there anything that did not make it into the final product? You decided to cut it out?
Yes. During our conversation with our customers, we noticed that they sometimes struggle to manage the chaos of their orders. A high volume of orders placed by the employees, day-to-day handling of company projects, and the need to constantly be on the move often meant our customers would lose track of who ordered what, when, and where. So we designed an investment feature to help our customers assign orders to specific location when the work was being carried out. We discussed this idea with them, and they really liked it. But when we came back to them with the working prototype that met all the needs that we had talked about, the feature was no longer appealing. Our customers expected something that would help them automatically, something that would, in a sense, figure out how to organize their orders on its own. In that moment, it wasn't possible because AI was just starting to become popular, so we put this idea aside for the future.
And I think we should revisit that one since the Gen AI is progressing at the pace it is. All right, so let's maybe move on to the next phase, which is the actual implementation phase. So, Pavel, over to you. Can you tell us about, the technological choices you've made to build the application? What technologies did you use? What were the challenges in the process, and what were the learnings from those challenges?
Yeah, of course. On the technical side, we decided to build two native apps, one for Android and one for iOS. This helped us to meet user expectations even better. The iOS app is written in Swift and the Android one in Kotlin. Each platform had two dedicated, highly experienced developers. This supported us to move quickly and use the knowledge gained from other mobile projects. We had also support from UX designer, manual tester, automation tester, and of course, project manager. We work in Scrum in 2-week sprints with clear goals to each stage. We use GraphQL to the connection between frontend and backend. The biggest challenge during the development was the synchronization between two teams, because the frontend and backend, which was built at the same time. Team was also going through a major changing. We migrating from the Magento 1 to a microservice modern architecture. It added complexity to our projects and required more coordination between all teams. At first, the frontend and backend work separately, but we soon realized that to move faster, we need to work more closely together. Once we joined forces, everything worked more smoothly and quickly.
So would there be anything that you would highlight from this ways of working and ways of cooperating on a project of this scale that you would share with our listeners?
Yeah, one thing that really helped, and I think it's not as common as we think, it was the close cooperation between business and developers. We worked as one team. There was no us and them. We did reviews together, ran workshops, and communicate almost every day. We even challenge each other in a positive way and look at for solutions together. In my view, this was one of the key reasons behind the app success.
All right, so thanks for that. What we also wanted to share during this session is a short video that we will now play, which shows the app in action in its natural environment with actual app users. I'm going to play the video. Pavel, if I could ask you to add some commentary to what we're seeing on the screen.
Yeah, of course. Here is our mobile app designed for professional installers ready to work wherever they are. You can always easily check your order status and adjust your plan on the go. Our customers are always on the move, so they need to be very flexible, even collecting package between construction sites. For many of our customers, their car is their office. That's why the app is the central place to manage their business with all documents always at hand. The electronic delivery note lets you see what is inside the package just by scanning the label. You don't need to open it. You can also quick return your order. Even the best make mistakes. We also have seen that customers often use similar products on their next projects. That's why we made it simple to repeat the same order. But the new order and new projects bring a new challenge. You can send a custom price request directly to your account manager and get a reply right in the app. Just a quick approval and the order goes straight to processing. We believe having all the products which installers need right in the pocket is the future of mobile.
All right, thank you. So we've talked about the implementation phase. We now have an app in the store, customers are using it, and that's the moment in which we can sort of say we have a next phase, which is we called it impact, which is also then growth, of course. Can you tell us about what were the actual results coming from the application and what the customers are saying about it?
Yeah, with pleasure. We focus on a specific group of users, installers. That's why our main metric, called Node Start, is also tied to this group. It is a number of installers place minimum one order during 1 month. It tells us whether we are going to the right direction. We often ask users what they think by surveys, during interviews, and by listening to feedback from our sales department. And our sales department is a big ambassador of our app. They actively promote the application and share valuable insights at first hand. And it really works. Our Net Promoter Score is around 70, which is great result and confirms that we have made the right choices. We are also very proud that our application and our work has been recognized. We won the prestigious Mobile Trends Awards for the best e-commerce application.
Yeah.
It is an important achievement for us and shows that we have really changed the mobile commerce in B2B industry.
Yeah, so one thing I would add to that is that it's quite a unique win because the commerce category, which this application won, is traditionally won by consumer-facing applications, which, as we all know, have a very optimized, highly polished UX. So winning this category and against this sort of competition for a B2B application, I think it's a huge success. So congratulations on that.
You are right. Thanks for that. And from a business perspective, we are seeing growth of user engagement, more orders placed through the app, and increasing number of returning users. For us, it's a clear sign that application is not just purchase application. It becomes a daily work tool. And for me and for now, we know this is just the beginning of the journey. We started in and we are after implementation, but we are really glad that we started it with future mind. I think that with the right partner, you can go much further. So thank you for all of this.
Thanks. All right, so let's summarize what we've discussed today. So I think to plan for success, regardless of that success is for your particular app or particular business, because this can, of course, be different everywhere, I think it's crucial to understand the importance of the phases that we've talked about. Starting from the discovery phase, the fact that we are building the application for users, and these can be consumers, these can be businesses like in your case, but this can also be employees, like business for employees, business to employee applications. So understand the user context, understand the needs, because we've seen too many times that projects are starting from the design phase, so we are already starting drawing things instead of first taking the time to understand what the user actually wants. Then, of course, design, keep it simple and tailored for the need of these users. Leverage the fact that this is a mobile device. You have it with you at all times, so you can optimize the flow there. You should not copy the website, the way it behaves, just to move that to the app. That's probably not the way to go. Iterate quickly, and also during the project, you should challenge the original assumptions, because there can be new facts that arise during the project. Then there's, of course, the implementation, so choosing the right technological stack and using the right technologies for the task. But also what you, Pavel, described, I think, is quite crucial to build a bridge between the IT, so-called team, so the technical team and the business team, so they each understand the challenges and have some insight into the other team's perspective. So combining this and joining them in one room, I think that's also very, very important to achieve the success. And then when the app is live, of course, measure everything. So you should have already your KPIs set, see if you're reaching those KPIs. And there are ways you can drive adoption. Working with that business in that room, you can organize promotions, which are, for instance, dedicated only for the app to further drive adoption and make just reach those KPIs. That's it from us. That's all we've prepared. Gentlemen, I thank you for joining us during this session. I look forward to building the next great feature together. Thank you for our listeners for joining. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us through LinkedIn or ask the questions here on the chat. I hope you have a great day. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.